Hi, I'm Joe from Artisons Painting and Remodeling, the owner. We serve Chicago, Cook County, DuPage County. Today I'm going to show you how to router hinges, mortise hinges for a door. We're doing a couple blank replacements. You always want safety glasses. Here we're using a compact router that's adjustable. So if you come over here and look at this down here, we did a couple tests on the old door to get the depth right, to make sure we got the depth right. And then you want to take your hinge and make sure it does sit flush on here. So we're good on that. I set up my hinge guide. So we do painting, drywall repair, spraying cabinets, interior, exterior painting, drywall, plaster repair, and carpentry. Right here, if you come over here, we take a square and we line it up here with the old hinges with the door flush to get our lines good. And then we set up the template here. You can see this template. Now we started in here in the corner off. The key is keeping it flat on there on the sole plate. And then we already have these marked out. You want to show the after? So you can see you get a perfectly rounded one. You can also make square ones. But that's basically how you use it. I'm Joe from Artisons Painting. We offer free estimates. You can reach us at 708-785-2112. We're located out of Brookfield and Chicago. We serve Chicago, Cook County, DuPage County, and Will County. We're the top rated company in Illinois for painting, drywall. We're fully insured. I carry workers' comp. And we always guarantee perfect work. Everything's in-house, so I have expert painters, 5 to 15-year long painters. There's always a dedicated foreman on the jobs. We come out and give you free estimates. We guarantee satisfaction, and we use the highest quality materials, paints, and tools. You can also reach us at www.artisonspainting.com. That's ARTISONS. Thanks and have a blessed day.